Hello everyone, welcome to Pronku's Pipe Smoking Den. I'm Pronku, I'm in my den, and today I would like to talk about a very interesting pipe. A pipe on which I only spent about $20, but I thought it's going to be a great catch, and to some it might be. I'm talking about a vest pocket pipe. More specifically, it's a Butz Choquin Vest Pocket pipe. Now, some of you know about these pipes, this type of pipes. Uh, some of you may not know about them. And in this video, I will try to present this exact type of pipe because the vest pocket pipes are different. They differ a bit between them. So I will talk about this particular pipe, this Butz Choquin Vest Pocket pipe, and I will try to present the pros and the cons of this pipe. Now, first of all, let me take a pause and show you in detail how this pipe looks and its characteristics. So let's get to it. Alright, so as I was saying, I bought this pipe with about $20. Let me put some light on it. It's of course an estate pipe, but it was in a very good condition. I just had to rim it, as you probably have seen in the previous video with Romeo Stun. So, as you can see, this is a very small pipe. It fits in your hand, and it is specifically made to carry in your pocket. It doesn't need to be a vest pocket, it can be any type of pocket. So it's small, and it's very light. So this would be two pros of this pipe. Another good feature about vest pocket pipes is that the stem can be turned. However, the stem on my pipe can be so easily turned, so you can turn it like this, so it can even better fit in your pocket. So this would be some pros. Now, like I said, some vest pockets pipes differ. For example, this one has a shorter stem. Some of them have a longer stem. This can be a good thing and a bad thing. It can be good because when you clench it, and by the way, it's a very good pipe to clench because it's very light. You can also how should I say, when you clench it, you can keep the pipe resting on your chin. I will show you later. However, the downside of having a short stem is that the chamber is very close to your face. It's like a nose warmer, and it's very difficult to light your pipe, and I will show you why. The chamber, as you can see, it is oval. Again, to be easier to fit in your pocket. That would be the good part. However, it is a bit difficult to pack it. I tried to pack it when I was launching in the park, and man, it was difficult. Um, I will actually let me just try and show you why it is difficult to load it. I'll take some Cornell and Deal Star of the East, which I'm currently smoking, and I'll try to show you at the camera why it is hard to load. So it's not going very even in the bowl. You have to put the tobacco here and there so it can be even, and well, apparently this time it's actually going very well, but the first um, 3 times I tried to pack it, it was quite difficult. Okay, let's say I packed it. Another issue with it is when you're lighting it, it will be difficult to light this specific portion, like it's not round, and it will be different than uh, like lighting your normal round shape chamber. Okay, one last thing, which is very, very important, and this is something that is keeping me away from smoking this specific pipe. The mortise. As you can see, actually, I hope you can see, it's just about like a system pipe, because the smoke chamber is on the side, it's not down, it's on the side, and because it is on the side, the tenon has this small hole here that should fit right in and go into that smoking chamber, but it doesn't, and that's why it doesn't have a good draw, or sometimes it doesn't have a draw at all. So this type of vest pocket pipe, I wouldn't recommend it. There are some other types of vest pocket pipes that don't have this smoking chamber on the side, so I'd be tempted to go for that type of pipe. With this being said, I'll get back and try to show you how it smokes, or if it smokes. Now that I presented the pipe in detail, um, I'll go on with a test for it, and with this occasion you will see why I'm saying that it has some downsides. But I said it's a good clencher, and it is. And mm, when you when you clench it, you can rest the pipe on your chin. So that's a good, um, a helpful thing. But the tricky part is when you're lighting it. First of all, I hope it will draw, because, like I said, uh, the smoke hole, it's not very well done. So another downside is being so close to your face, you can't really see where you are um, putting the flame. So let me see. So, like as you've seen, it's like I'm looking very difficult on the chamber to see how I'm burning the tobacco. Another issue with it is that you can't use bigger tempers. It's best that you use a tech tool and a companion, you know. And well, let's try again to light it up. So it's so close to the face that you can't see where the flame is going. So it's like it's more about your instinct. So let's go. Curiously, now it has a good draw. But it has this hissing. I don't know if you can hear it, but every time I draw, it's hissing. It's having some air from somewhere, I don't know. And it's out. Um, I will actually use this pen to temp, since my tech tool is somewhere here. But yeah, this would be, I don't know, the third light, the fourth light, I don't know. And it's not even lit up. As you can see, the tobacco is still still not burnt. So fourth, I think, light. Not being able to see where the flame is going is also something that can make you burn the rim. But let's see how it draws. No? A very tight draw. It doesn't draw. So it's something about this system that it just doesn't work. I need to find the correct way to put the stem on so that it fits directly into that smoke chamber on the side. So there are good sides, good things about it, and some bad things about it. I personally wouldn't spend my money on a new Butz Choquin pipe like this one. Maybe they have better models which are, you know, easier to smoke. I don't know, maybe they even have a longer stem that permits you to see where you're putting your flame. um, and I don't know, that's about everything that I wanted to present about this particular Butz Choquin Vest Pocket pipe. So I hope it was useful for you, and I don't know. Let me know your thoughts about this type of pipes, because I'm really curious about them. They seem to be made for a very good purpose, and for someone who likes launching like me, like going somewhere and smoking your pipe in nature. This type of pipe would be very helpful, but it also needs to work well. It needs to have a good draw, and it needs to be easy to smoke, and not to be how should I say, um, it doesn't have to be a challenge to smoke it. It needs to be something that you can you know, light it up. When you're walking, when you're whatever, it needs to be simple. For me, this type of pipe is not simple. It's just nice looking, and it could be better. But anyway, that's my 2 cents on the Vest Pocket pipe, the Butz Choquin Vest Pocket pipe. So till then, until next time, take care and have happy puffing.